Today, we are testing something that every content creator cares about: audio quality. This is DJI's wireless mic mini. It's powerful, it's compact, but can it stand against India's craziest, loudest noises? Let's find out. Okay, so here's the deal. We've actually identified and picked 3 of the locations in a city where you probably would be shooting around. Number 1, a traffic intersection. Number 2, a food court. And number 3, a park full of kids.
At each of these locations, we'll record 2 tests. First, without noise cancellation, and then with noise cancellation. The mic is going to earn points based on how well it performs.
Ho, not just that. We're actually going to go even more technical. We'll also work with the receiver gain. That would be 0 at first, then -6, and then -12. We're also going to test if those decibels can actually help you cancel the noise out. The idea is actually to remove all the noises, all the disturbance in your video that you usually find, and basically level up your content like never before. Okay, so this one is really brutal. This is a traffic intersection and there are a lot of trucks, cars, autos honking. This is without noise cancellation. So this is what you get after doing the noise cancellation. Now let's take even further and actually do a receiver gain change. So at this moment the receiver gain is at 0. Now we'll do at -6. So this is what you get with active noise cancellation at -6 decibel. Let's do at -12 decibel. So this is what you get with active noise cancellation at -12 decibel. This time it's DJI Mic Mini versus India's noisiest food courts. So this is basically what you hear without active noise cancellation. So this is what you hear at 0 decibels with active noise cancellation on DJI Mic Mini. This is what DJI Mic Mini offers at -6 decibels with active noise cancellation. So this is what DJI Mic Mini sounds like with -12 decibels with active noise cancellation in a crowded, noisy India's food court. Let's see if DJI Mic Mini can actually handle India's noisiest parks. This is what DJI Mic Mini offers at 0 decibel with active noise cancellation. This is what DJI Mic Mini sounds like at -6 decibels with active noise cancellation. This is what DJI Mic Mini sounds at -12 decibels with active noise cancellation. We actually even thought that most people also try to shoot, especially at home. So we're going to do a home test as well. So we'll see if DJI Mic Mini can actually beat India's noisiest homes. Shooting at indoor locations, shooting at your own house could be really challenging, especially when you can't control such noises. Let's see if DJI Mic Mini can actually handle India's household noise. So this is what you hear basically at 0 decibel with active noise cancellation. So this is what DJI Mic Mini offers with active noise cancellation at -6 decibels. This is what DJI Mic Mini offers at -12 decibels with active noise cancellation. So, what do you think?
Okay, I agree. This mic really works. It works in the park, it works in the busy intersection. But I really felt that it didn't work that much in that food park. It might be because it was really very loud and not at all in the indoor space. I can understand there were like 5 people in the room, excluding us. So there were like 7 people in the room when we shot that, and there was a little kid there who was playing with her cycle. So the cycle noise is constantly there. I agree with that.
They were like loud noises, but the distance between you, your camera, and the noise was too far. In this case, the person or the place from where the noise is coming is actually quite near. So in such cases, I would advise either to close the door, use soundproof carpets, curtains, maybe the sound absorbing panels or foam sheets. That will really work.
So in our case, we were giving it a very big challenge, like more difficult, because it was like a hall which is including like 7 people.
Actually, we wanted them to speak as naturally as they can, make as much noise as they can, because we wanted to test this mic. So in that case, yes, we can agree to that part that it didn't work that much, but we can definitely work around. You can do all that solution hacks. As far as the food court is concerned, I don't really agree with you. I feel the noise cancellation was really good. I mean, you're expecting a little too much out of this. But before you guys go, I would like to give you a small little piece of advice. Do not go beyond -6 decibels. It just doesn't feel right. But in some cases where the noise is too high, you want your voice to be captured, I would really encourage you to speak a little louder and do the -12 decibel. What it does is basically it's going to reduce your volume as well, but still you'll get some good quality of noise cancellation. Apart from that, when the environment is not that loud, when it's not that noisy, do not go beyond -6, you'll not enjoy it. And in my humble opinion, just stay at 0 decibels with active noise cancellation. But use that strong noise cancellation with 0 decibels and you're good to go. Do not even hesitate to even think about should I buy it or not if you're genuinely thinking to basically remove noise from your content creation. This really works. Trust me, I have tried all the softwares, I've tried all the AI websites that basically content creators are making video about. It works, but it really ruins your voice. It becomes a robotic kind of a voice. So I would not advise you for that. DJI Mic Mini works the best. This is me, Vanraj.
And this is me, Shubhri.
We're going to see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Signing off.
Bye.